Interviewing: skin, hair, nails. Generally speaking, the skin is under the overall influence of the lung. The hair of the head is under the influence of the kidneys, and the nails are an aspect of the liver. In practice, though, there are many other relevant aspects, in particular, the condition of blood that affects these types of tissue. The skin is nourished and moistened by the blood and gin. This means that imbalances manifesting in the skin are more often blood imbalances and patterns of dampness, rather than being lung imbalances. All channels traverse the skin. Changes in the specific areas of the skin can therefore also relate to imbalances in specific channels. If the skin is dry, it will be because the skin is not nourished and moistened. This will therefore be a sign of shui shu or jin shu. Oily or greasy skin can be seen when there is dampness, damp heat, and phlegm. The skin can become dry and flaky when there is blood stagnation in the area below it. This is sometimes seen in the area of joints that have blood stagnation. Blood stagnation can block and thereby prevent fresh, nutritious blood from circulating in the skin in this area. Damp heat and phlegm can manifest with greasy or oily skin. Itchy skin will indicate the presence of wind in the area. It is important to identify the cause of the wind. There will often be a combination of both exogenous and internally generated wind simultaneously. Internal wind may arise from the factors such as shui shu or shi heat. Exogenous wind can be both wind cold and wind heat. Other factors that can be involved in itching are blood stagnation, dryness, and dampness. It is important to observe and ask about the other qualities of the skin, such as color, moistness, texture, and so on, to be able to differentiate the etiology. The hair. The hair on the head is created from kidney jing, but nourished and moistened by blood. This means that the quantity and quality of the head hair can be influenced by both blood and jing. If there's jing shu, there can be baldness, a receding hairline, and a thin hair. Shui shu can also result in hair loss, poor hair growth, dry hair, or brittle hair. This is typically seen after childbirth and menstruation. Phlegm, damp heat, and dampness can make the hair greasy. The scalp can also be itchy when there is damp heat. Dampness and phlegm can also block blood from nourishing the hair so that it starts to fall out. A person can also suffer hair loss when heat scorches the roots of the hair. The heat may be generated internally, or there may be invasions of wind heat. If it is due to wind heat, the hair loss will be sudden and defined patches will be missing. Let's go to the nails. They are an aspect of the liver in the same way that the tendons are. Nails are nourished by liver blood. Nails that are weak, break easily, or are soft or rigid, or are a sign that liver blood is not nourishing the nails. If the nails are very thick and yellowish, this can be a sign of liver blood stagnation or dampness. Typically, this is seen in the toenails because dampness seeps downwards. Skin, hair, and nails observation and significance. For dry skin, there's shui stagnation. Greasy skin, damp heat, and phlegm. For itchy skin, there's wind, dampness, dryness, and blood stagnation. Hair loss and baldness, significance is jing shu, shui shu, fire, wind heat, dampness, and phlegm. Dry hair, blood shu, greasy hair, damp heat, and phlegm. Oily, itchy scalp means damp heat. Very thick nails means blood stagnation. Weak, soft nails that break easily is a liver blood shu. Rigid fingernails, significance is liver blood shu. Thank you for your attention.